Today we're reviewing stock number 189880 on a 2018 GMC Yukon Denali, and our exterior color is black. Interior options include smart key access, power windows, locks and mirrors, power folding mirrors, memory seats, wood grain trim, premium audio system, power seats with lumbar support, leather wrapped upholstery, sunroof, light controls, four-wheel drive controls and trailer brake, heads-up display, traction control, parking assist controls, lane departure warning, power adjustable foot pedals, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, forward collision detection and heated steering wheel, hands-free communication and audio controls, wireless charging pad, sunroof controls, rear hatch controls, garage door opener, OnStar 4G LTE with electrochromatic mirror, CD AM/FM radio with auxiliary, climate control with AC, heated and cooled seats, and our interior color is black. Moving on to exterior features, we have running boards, chrome alloy rims, rear parking assist, backup camera, remote trunk release, power hatch, rear seat controls, as well as second row seat controls and more cargo space. Rear options include power windows, cup holders, pass-through seating, heated seats, climate control, and you can fold seats down to get to third row seating. Once again, we're reviewing stock number 189880 on a 2018 GMC Yukon, and our exterior color is black.